You already know that Calendly makes scheduling easier, but did you know that Calendly makes getting paid easier too? If you're a coach, consultant, freelancer, creator, any small business charging for your time, this one's for you. Here are 5 tips for making money with Calendly. Okay, so before we get into the fun stuff, this is the part that makes everything else possible. Tip number 1, connect Stripe or PayPal. Think of it as turning on the automatic payment switch inside of Calendly. It takes just a few minutes, and then once that's set up, you can charge for all sorts of things within Calendly. More on that later. This means no manual invoices, no payment reminders, and no extra admin work. Just imagine it. Future you will be sitting on a beach somewhere, watching money magically float into your account.
I was literally lying on a beach and I get a notification on my watch saying, boom, there's some money in your bank account, someone's booked a call. It's a great way to do business.
If you need help setting that up today, we've got step-by-step walkthroughs just for you. Tip number 2, add payment to your booking page. With Calendly, you can build payment directly into your booking flow. So instead of, here's my scheduling link, and then, and here's how you pay, it'll all be one smooth experience. And it'll look a little something like this. They choose a time that works for them, maybe answer some questions, and then they pay right then and there.
Before we meet, I can just make it mandatory for them to pay, and then we're good to meet.
And here's the real win. When people pay up front, they show up. So you protect your calendar, make your money, and stop giving any time or energy to no-shows. Tip number 3, sell meeting packages. If you typically work with clients over multiple sessions, think coaching, tutoring, consulting, then meeting packages are worth exploring. Instead of selling one session at a time, you can sell multiple sessions up front. It'll look something like this. With meeting packages, you'll have a more predictable income and a stronger commitment from your clients. Plus, instead of having to resell yourself on every call, you'll have more time to focus on delivering actual value. Tip number 4, offer coupon codes. Because who doesn't love a good deal? By offering coupon codes to your clients, you can attract new customers with first-time booking offers, reward your favorite clients, launch a special promo, or just fill a slow month. This gives you flexibility without having to lower your prices across the board. And tip number 5, use payment links. Now here's the hidden gem. With Calendly's payment links, you can get paid for more than just the meetings. Within Calendly, you can create custom links to request payment for anything: deposits, add-ons, monthly retainers, whatever your entrepreneurial heart desires. And here's some parting wisdom from a Calendly customer who's getting paid like a pro.
If you're doing some kind of paid anything, you want them to submit payment first, right? Because you don't have to chase them. Because it's all happening in the same step, I'm doing like a 1/5 of the work that I was doing before, trying to get all of that stuff collected, following up. I mean, that's huge.
If you want to learn more about any of these payment options, check out the links in the description. And as always, if you've got questions, let us know in the comments.